Hello, children. How are you? I know you all are fine. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, children. I am Hema, social study teacher of Standard 4. Today, I will teach you chapter 1 of social study. Okay, children. Open your page number 5. Chapter 1, India, our country. Okay, children, we all know India is our country. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. India is a beautiful country. It is the 7th largest country in the world in area. In area, India is the 7th largest country. The second largest in population. And second largest in population. India is beautiful land of vast plains, beautiful hills, high mountains, extensive plateaus, forest, islands and a large desert. Okay, we found vast plains, beautiful hills, mountains, plateaus, forests, islands and large deserts in India. It has a long coastline. A large number of rivers also flow through the country, makes the plain fertile. Okay, children. In India, large numbers means so many rivers also flow in India that makes the soil fertile. Then children, location. It is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. The southern part of India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. It is called as the Indian Peninsula. India is surrounded by water on its 3 sides. We called as Indian Peninsula. Children, here what do you mean by peninsula? Peninsular is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Okay, children? 3 sides are surrounded with water. That is known as peninsula. Then children, but content to the mainland. India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal on the east. India is surrounded Bay of Bengal on the east. Then the Arabian Sea. Please children, turn your page. Open your page number 6. Then Arabian Sea on the west. Children, Arabian Sea on the west and the Indian Ocean on the south. Okay children, an Indian Ocean on the south. Then Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. However, the Indira Port in the Andaman and Nicobar Island is the southernmost tip of the country. In Andaman and Nicobar Island is the children, the southernmost tip of the country. Okay children, then neighboring countries. Children, what do you mean by neighboring countries? Children, neighborhood. What do you mean by first? Neighborhood. What do you mean by neighborhood? The family stay nearby our houses are known as neighborhood. Okay. Then the neighboring countries. Countries also. Neighborhood countries means stay neighborhood countries. See children, to the northwest Afghanistan and Pakistan to Pakistan. In northwest, 2 countries are there, neighboring countries, Afghanistan and Pakistan. To the north, China and Nepal, Bhutan lies to the northeast. Northeast countries North China, Nepal, Bhutan. Then to the east are Myanmar and Bangladesh. Okay. Then our neighbors across the sea are the islands, nations of Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, two islands are there across the sea, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, children. Then physical features of India. Physical features of a country includes features like vast land, hills, mountains, rivers, islands, forests, deserts, etc. India's landscape is varied. There are snow-covered mountains called Himalaya. In the north part of India, there are the highest mountain ranges in the world. Many rivers in India originate from Himalayas. Some of them are the Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, Brahmaputra, Narmada and Mahanadi. Due to the rivers, the North Plain are very fertile. Some rivers came from Himalayas. They are Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, Brahmaputra, Narmada and Mahanadi. Due to these rivers, the southern plains are very fertile. Okay, children. Thank you.